How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can remove parental controls on the Xbox 360. Now it's going to be extremely simple. First things first, you want to navigate through your Microsoft account, which is going to be this one. And then you want to click on devices, and the account that's binded with your Xbox will then be put right here. So in my case, I actually don't have an Xbox to this specific account, but if you have yours binded on the exact same Microsoft account, it will then simply show up right here. So it's as easy as clicking on the Xbox button or the Xbox account or console that you have, and from there will be the parental controls option. So just simply click on it. There will be an option for us to disable the entire parental controls itself. Turn it off, and simply from there you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.